What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Today's video, we're going to be talking about my new Three Brothers Racing anti-foams that I put in my SCX6 here. So, got them in. They said it was like a 5-day back order thing. Didn't get any shipping or anything. They just showed up rather quickly. So I was actually really excited about that because I didn't know they were coming. Got them all in. The installs, they fit good, pretty easy. It's just a tight fit. What I found is you turn the inner ring, the plastic piece, sideways, and you can slide it in, and then you can wiggle it around and kind of get it to where you need it, and that seemed to work no problem. Got them all in there, mounted up, and they are definitely a lot more firm. You can definitely feel it when you squeeze them down. On the rocks, I thought they were gonna transform the truck like quite a bit more than what they actually did. They did not, but I think it's kind of showing the lack of the tires at this point. I was thinking that maybe these tires were Proline rubbers, and they just took the Proline, badging off of the tire, because they are KM3s, and they didn't seem too bad stock, but now with the foams on them, they didn't seem to really hook up. Now, the stock foam, the tires are really squashed down. You had like no side hilling. If I had to say anything about these foams, the side hilling definitely improved. But I'm going to run some footage, do a little voiceover for you guys, kind of break it down, explain, show everything to you that I experienced in my first run. But overall, I would say that they are definitely better than stock by a lot. But the problem is they are pricey at like $100 for a set, so I don't know if they are worth like basically double the price of what, say, a regular dual stage foam from Proline. I don't know if Crawler Innovations makes any. I think I looked. Usually that's what I run in my 1.9s is Crawler Innovations, but I know Proline definitely offers a dual stage foam for these. But I wanted to try them. Are they worth the 100? I don't know. You guys will have to see this running footage and the breakdown, and let me know in the comments what you think. But let's roll the footage.
Alright, here we go with some side hilling. Hard to tell how steep it is, but it's very steep. It's taking it, no problems. And here you can look at that back tire. You can see how it's kind of conforming more to the ground, but not just like completely collapsing. That is the foams at work right there. So I just put this in here because I can't make it. I can make it with a 1/10 rig. I was kind of shocked this didn't. Okay, here's another climb. So this is where the tires were kind of seemed very slippery because I have other rigs that can hold on that line, but not, 6 scale. So it's hard to say. The weight might be a factor on the steep stuff. Alright, here we go. This is another side of that same rock with the steep side angle here, and it's hard to tell, but that's pretty steep, and it's taking it no problems. I'm just kind of trying to push the limits here on the side, and really trying to see. Right here is pretty gnarly. Like I said, it's hard to tell with camera angles, but I was impressed there with the side hilling for sure. Here's just a nice climb. Just kind of want to, show its abilities a little. But with these firmer foams, it just takes that stuff no problem. Again, wanted to show the tire slippage. It wasn't even getting up this little line. It took like, a little force, but you can see the tire too conforming there as well in this clip. Still couldn't make this line now. I can't make it with the 10th scale either. It's just too steep. Nothing I have can get up on it, it seems. I was kind of bummed out that this didn't make it. Just keep trying, but couldn't do it. Ooh, resulted in a tumble. Here I go again. Still, look at the tough time I'm having just getting traction to get up this. This is really like nothing. A 10 scale rig goes right over it like nothing. Okay, so here's the tire. I wanted to show this here. Just kind of, you can see how it's conforming to the rock. It's holding its shape. That's what I was trying to convey right there. It doesn't just completely squash down to nothing. Still trying to make it up. I'm just stuck on these rocks. This is where, the tires are just not hooking up. So, because I just go right up that with a 10th scale. But in the name of science, I figured I'd do this, burn the tires up a little. So, still just nothing here. Just going at it. Just need a little wheel speed, I guess. But, I'm trying to go slow and show the, traction aspect of it. But when in doubt, you can always throttle out.
Well, alright guys, what did you think of that footage? Did you see improvements? Do you think that these anti-phones are worth the money or what? Let me know in the comments below. I'm going to keep pushing them, trying them, seeing if they work. I'm definitely going to upgrade to the Hyrax tires. They're just expensive like everything else for this truck. Things are quite pricey. It's kind of something I overlooked when I got the truck. I know the truck was expensive, but I didn't realize the parts were expensive. But tires are a must, and they do last a long time. It's not like I'm going to have to go and buy a new set immediately or anything, and you do get B-locks from the factory. And I think I'm probably going to get those nice method wheels from Proline, just the faces as well, and get those all on there. So those will be coming in the future. But yeah, hard to say if they're worth the money, but I got them, they're in there, and they're definitely improvement over stock, so I guess that counts for something. But I really appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to leave me a like, leave a comment down below if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel if you are not a subscriber already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.